Drop the gun! Drop! Come here! Come out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Come out with your hands up! Show me!
Negative K, nothing further, just see the cabbie on the corner.
On May 18th, 2024, police officers from Baltimore County Police Department responded to a call reporting a mental health crisis in the Dundalk area of Baltimore County, Maryland. When officers arrived, they attempted to make contact with the suspect at the front door of the residence, but things did not go as planned. Baltimore police responded to the scene, and additional BCPD units were called for backup. What happens next will shock you. I put a lot of effort into making these videos, so if you'd like to support my work, consider subscribing. Now, buckle up, the video starts.
This is Officer Brady, Baltimore County Police. It's Officer Brady. Can I talk to you? It's Officer Brady. Can I talk to you? Can you come talk to me? I can't hear you real well. Can you come talk to me? If we can't even get them out here, then there's no point in even asking. We can see if they're available to monitor. Hang on here. I'm going to go around, actually, real quick. Let me try to call the complainant. See if the son picks up or whoever called.
Officer Michael Brady attempted to speak with the suspect at the front door of the residence, but the suspect refused to open it. While the witness officer stood by at the door as a precaution, Officer Brady walked back toward the patrol car to speak with the individual, who had called 911. What happened next was anything but expected.
Hello.
Hey, this is Officer Brady.
This is her.
Hey, so and just so you know, my camera's on, but we're at, and we can hear him talking. No, we're out front. Do you want us to come around back?
Yeah, go around back. They were supposed to tell you to go around back.
Okay, didn't see that. I'll come around the back.
All right, thank you.
All right, no problem. Bye.
All right, bye.
Just, she said for us to come around back. I don't know if you want to wait here, and I'm going to go talk to her.
Quick question. Can you come to the window upstairs and talk to me through the window? Yeah, can you come to the upstairs window and talk to me through that? Yeah, the front window. Sir, where are you at? Are you in the living room?
Hey, sir. Hi. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's going on? Give me 10-3. Give me 10-3. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Shots fired. Shots fired. Drop the gun. Drop. Come here. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out with your hands up. Show me. I'm in the rear. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Get out of the car, man!
Oh my God, please! No! What are you doing? You don't have nothing! Oh my God!
46, I'm good. 46, I'm good. We got more shots fired. He's got a gun in his hand. He's in the house. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Come out with your hands up! Hands up! Come out to me! Come out to me! Come out to me! Come out to me! Come out! You gotta get down on the ground, sir. You gotta get down on the ground.
Where's the gun at?
It's on the ground. We're getting detained. Scene is safe. 3 minutes in now, around the back alley.
Alright, I'm gonna go get medic stuff.
Police says he's gonna die out here. Lower jaw. Turn your sirens off. God damn it. Hold on, sir. We're gonna get you help. No, we're all good. No, it's not. I don't know. I don't know. Stop, stop, stop. Yes, officer involved. Stop, sir. We're gonna get you help. We're gonna get you help. I don't know if he's hit on any extremities. The only wound I see is on his face.
Where?
Wait.
Is there anyone inside? Hey!
Over here.
Is there anyone inside? No? Stop moving!
Where's he at?
Unit face, have my extended.
Next unit, I need you to help me through.
Here, you hold him.
Hey, he was talking to me through the front. Clear the house with him.
He's got a gun in his jaw. I don't know if he's hit anywhere else.
You gotta cuff everything.
He's cuffed.
I got him. I secured the gun.
The officers made every effort to communicate with the suspect and prevent him from getting hurt. However, things took an unexpected turn, and a confrontation broke out between the suspect and the officers. The suspect was shot in the jaw by Officer Brady. The officers immediately provided first aid and attempted to control the bleeding, but there wasn't much they could do until paramedics arrived. Now, let's move on to the final part of the video. The suspect who lost his life in the incident was later identified as 43-year-old Glenn Petty. He was killed after being shot in the jaw during the confrontation. The officer who fired at Petty was placed under investigation, and as of the latest public reports, no criminal charges have been announced. Another case closed until the next one. Our eyes on Bodycam. See you next week.